I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get things done, along with a little bit of realistic, relatable motherhood. That's what we do around here. We keep it real. It's not aesthetically pleasing. Nothing is perfect. I am just a mom doing her best. I am not an influencer. I am showing you my Skin+Me though, because I have been so strict with my skincare and I absolutely love it. Definitely starting to pay off. My skin and my makeup goes on so nice now. This is a chaotic school run morning. As you can see, mess in the background. School lunches are packed and then I'm heading off on the school run. After, popped into Asda, needed some new sunglasses. Thought I'd show you the Father's Day things as well, because there was so many cute little gifts in there, really cheap as well. Then we're back to tackle this mess that I have been avoiding for a couple of days now, and as you can see, it's starting to pile up and get on top of me, and I just cannot function when it's like this. I just needed to get it done, even if it wasn't perfect. I just got to get it done. Crumbs everywhere, and there's lots of party things as well from Rio's party. I'm feeling great this day, but I'm going to power through. So if you have a big old mess that you need to tackle as well, then you're definitely in the right place. Grab your clean stuff and clean along with me, or grab a couple of some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours.
Still have junk on the floor and laundry to do down there as well, but this is lots better, especially for me not feeling very well. I feel like I'm climbing out that burnout hole, and I'm slowly like doing it again to myself. This day I felt so ill. My head was throbbing, my ears were ringing, I couldn't hear properly, but it was just get it done now or else it's going to be so much worse if I let it pile up on top of me. And I had Hope's birthday coming up as well, so I just thought I'm not going to do it perfect, I'm just going to get it done and spray the sides with this method. I love this one. Is it wild rhubarb? Yeah, it's wild rhubarb, and I just absolutely love the smell of this. So as you can see, I'm spraying everywhere randomly, not perfectly. Please excuse my big flabby arms out. I am losing weight. I'm trying my best, but for now it's a bit hot. Get ready now and go and get Hope from school, and then I'll be back. I'm a bit worried about driving, if I'm honest. Really feel like my head's like underwater. Let's go anyway. And we are back after the school run, and wait till I tell you in a minute what happened after school. It seems like we just never seem to get a break. Being a mom is just constant cycle of mom guilt and feeling like I'm not doing enough or I could be doing more. Let me know if you relate. Mom guilt. So Hope comes out of school and hang on pudding. And says you weren't there today when they gave me they do like a birthday thing every Friday when kids have the birthday on that week. And leave the cat alone. Put him down. He doesn't know he's going to end up scratching you. Come on. Keep it together. Yeah, so she came out of school upset. She was like, Mummy, you weren't there. And they gave me my birthday card and they sing to all the kids. They all get to blow out the candles and a cake and everything. And I was just so annoyed. I was like, I could have gone this morning to the assembly, but I didn't because I wasn't aware that she was having it this week. I thought it would be next week because her birthday's on Wednesday. So yeah, I suppose they do it before, so it's my fault. And I feel like crying. Thank you, baby.
I just felt a little bit upset because you weren't there.
Crappy and guilty. It's never ending mum guilt. But yeah, I'm gonna sit and order a few presents as well and try and plan. Hello. Do you want feeding? And I need to try and do dinner as well because there's some chicken in the fridge that needs using. I think it was yesterday. So we'll give it a whiff and see if it's okay. Don't you just have one of them days where it's just like, I planned it to go really well and it's just Hope, can you turn the TV down? Okay. And everything's just gone to pot. I feel like my head is ready to just explode. Do you like my new glasses? Hold on. I'm just dropping Rio off at work. He's doing his first night shift, so he's on 7 till 10. Hope's at home with Aunt and Riley, and dinner is in the oven. It's just an oven job food tonight. I feel like it's really mad that I'm dropping my 18-year-old son off to work a night shift. Feels really, really weird. Yeah, I am panicking a little bit, and I do worry about him, but part of letting go. This is the next day, and I had some errands to run because it's the day before Hope's birthday. We are at Smith's because we need to pick up some birthday things. Squish. I had to pick up some presents from Smith's, and then I popped into Aldi, and they had these fake Method cleaners, which was so weird because I'd only just bought one the other day. They also had these really cute little planters in there. Popped into Asda Home and saw the Stacey Solomon collection. They are so cute. Oh my gosh. Right, we are finished birthday shopping. Can you see I've got two massive, this smells so nice, from B&M. I don't even know if it sanitizes your hands. Sanitizes your hands? I don't know if it sanitizes your hands, but it smells nice. I don't know. Let's go home. There's a lot to do. Put the shopping away, clean up, and then do some birthday prep. Wish me luck. So I've put the shopping away and give the kitchen a little wipe over. Can't get my words out. And then this is the current state of the front room, and I need to get all her birthday things done, blow the balloons up, wrap some presents, and I just cannot do it in this current state. So I'm going to have a little whiz around, tidy up, put some things away, put this washing clothesline thingy. What do you guys call it? How does she even get like chocolate all up the side of her coat? She doesn't even wear that often. Yeah, no idea. But I'm going to take this out and pop it away. Can you see? And then I caught myself in the thing. But yeah, I'm going to get all this laundry off here and shove it at the bottom of the stairs, and hopefully it will get up the stairs at some point. And then this dresser, it feels like every flat surface in the home gathers clutter. So I'm going to then move these back to the table so I can get stuff done. I've also got my bedding on the settee because it will not fit in the cupboard at the minute. So I've just plonked it there because I need to put Hope's presents. I mean, why is there socks here? Why aren't? Why does he leave his socks there in a ball? It drives me soft. Just showing you the books I'm reading at the minute. I can't seem to focus on one book at a time. I go from one to the other. I think I'm very ADHD in that way, and many ways actually. There's such good things in Asda if you're having a little party. I found this and it was only £3. Can you see that? It's trying to follow my face. Like that. Can you see it? Why does my eyebrows look so dark? Yeah, it's like an acrylic personalised sign. It comes with a little pen, and I thought that would be so cute, like welcome to Hope's 7th birthday party. But not only for that, you could use it for anything, like if you're hosting a brunch, if you're doing like all of the kids' birthdays, or just a little like menu sign, or for weddings. I thought for £3, that's just really, really good. I feel like my eyelash is just falling off. It is. It's now on my finger. What is going on today? Anywho, excuse me, look. I'll put my eyelash back on in a minute. And then they had this table cover, and it was £2, and it's a colour your own. Oh, it's got crayons in as well. That's really good. So that was £2. I don't know how big it is. Oh, 118 centimetres by 180. So it comes with crayons in as well. So that was only £2. Don't stick this eyelash back on because I feel like an absolute weirdo. Is that stuck on? No. Yes, no. Right, I'm going. Not sponsored or anything, but I absolutely love that little acrylic thing. I was like, what a cool find. Especially for like hosting and things like that. But anyway, I'm rambling. I'm getting on and wrapping her presents. I'm trying to get it done before she gets back from school so I can hide it in the cupboard and just pull everything out later when she's in bed. I don't know if you're going to see this properly because of the reflection, but so good this is. For £3, It's just acrylic as well, it's not glass. So it would just go on the table. I've just written on there, happy birthday, Hope. You were 6, now 7. You know, if you've got a little one, they're all 6, 7. If you want to get one of those from Asda, I highly recommend them if you do a lot of catering or parties, or, you know, you just want to make something like a little bit special. I love this. It's like a cute little note board, and it's a dry erase one too. Yeah, look at that. So good. So you just write on it as normal, then stick it in this nice little wooden thing. It'd be good for like a countdown, you know, like for Christmas or birthdays and stuff as well. Oh, I'm excited. I'm silly. Right, I'm procrastinating. Let's get stuff done. This might sound weird, but I'm gonna wrap this long ways like a sausage, to make it look like a giant cracker, you know, like a Christmas cracker. Sometimes I always do this when we've got like weird shaped things, like, you know, like this. And it just makes like a really big statement when they walk into the room and see all their presents. So I thought that's what we're gonna do.
Like a really fun thing to look at.
Now it looks like a giant cracker. Let's go forward. That side might be. Right, now I just have to, now I've just got to try and hide it somewhere. How cold was this, Law? And then time was ticking on and I started panicking, so I called for backup, and Riley was there helping me tie the balloons so I can just get as much as I possibly get done. Yeah, it takes a while to blow them up and then stop and tie them. Oh crap, how am I going to get that down? I didn't think that bit through, did I? And the machine is noisy as well, so I needed to do this before she was home. Okay, so now it's a little bit later. All the presents and the balloons are hidden for when she's in bed. I'm making marry me chicken for dinner, and this is the way I do it. I'll fry the chicken off once it's seasoned and then pop it in the air fryer, and then in here I just saute some garlic paste, kale, sun-dried tomato and some oregano, and what else do I put in there? I'm trying to think. I just throw all sorts in there. Salt and pepper, some stock and some hot water, and then you put your cream in, and that is the sauce. Smells good. So tired. I'm going to try and get Hope in bed early and then put the decorations and presents out. Get it done. Get in bed. I'm tired. And I'm not surprised. My feet hurt. Cook the pasta, pop the sauce on the top, and everyone loves this meal, and it comes together so quickly. It's so yummy, even the little one likes it. And I'm using the camping plates because none of the other ones have been washed up, so please excuse the blue plates, but it's just how we do tonight. Those big plates are for my boys. It looks not very nice, but it is lovely. And now I'm showing you a sneak peek of the next video, because the next video you guys will probably see will be my garden transformation video, and I am so excited to finally share it with you because we have come such a long way. So I'm just giving you like a sneak peek, but I won't show you obviously the end. You guys know that it has been so long to do, and we had so much junk, and it's been a lot of work to do before Rio's birthday and Hope's birthday and all of that. But we've done some upcycling, some DIYs, we've had some accidents and all sorts. But anyway, if you want to watch that, make sure you're subscribed. Don't forget to use that hype button. It really helps us out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on?